MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka office jang ka district AIDS control officer Ribhoi district menta ka sing kala rakhe ka international youth day bat hak chugo por pan penbenaru e ka jing lap je Samla Pule kum ka jing tep ka jing kai ka jing penya day ne ka IEC camping hak ka be day bat ka jing pang HIV AIDS ka bla ken rai ba ka ne ka jela jungi bat ka district kum ba ki Samla ki don ka benta ka bakraw halor ka te ka benta ya ka te ka program na sang shwa da ka jinga iralir kat plakat hasrok ba national highway nadu na pam sim bat penkut da ka jinga lang hari boy college bala shim benta ki Samla Pule bat kum juru ki nong tre ka tanat ka ko ya halor ka pang ki Samla kum ki nong sedang ka jinga Khun Pyrta ka jing pang HIV AIDS nagaliang wabilas baharan wal deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi lalai ban shim benta kum komsan ka te ka sngi ka jindon lang ka Dr. Ikelwing district AIDS control officer Ribhoi district ka kong ikar khungar principal ka Ribhoi college ki Samla Pule kinong tre ko kya
Pressure from parents, from teachers, from society. Many face uncertainty, temptation, and confusion, often without a proper guidance, either from parents or from teachers or from their mentors. So let us reflect on some of the major challenges of our youth of the world they face. Substance abuse and addiction. Many young people experiment with drugs, alcohol, or tobacco. As the reports of the Long Times on Sunday, it shows that as young as 10 years, they have experimented with drugs. So what starts as a fun or a peer pressure soon become dependent. Injection drugs use also increase the risk of HIV/AIDS transmission, which is a major concern in our district. Then number two, the lack of awareness of sexual health. Despite growing access to information, many youth lack accurate knowledge about its effects. HIV, sexually transmitted infections, what we call STIs, and pregnancy prevention. Misinformation and stigma often stop them from seeking help until it is too late. And mental health issues, mental health struggles, depression, anxiety, and loneliness are young issues. Social media often creates a false sense of perfection through their likes and share with people. Many suffer silently because they are afraid to be judged or misunderstood. Moral and spiritual confusion, with so many voices telling them what is right and wrong from social media, from Facebook, from other platforms. Many struggle to find their own identity. They struggle to find the values and purposes. Materialism and moral compromise are becoming more common. And unemployment and loss of direction. Many young people today complete school but will know their path ahead. Many unemployed youth in our district. The absence of guidance, skills and opportunity makes them vulnerable to bad influence. What can we do? As the district AIDS control officer, I urge each one of you, educate yourself, know the truth about HIV and AIDS. It is preventable, but also if you are informed. Choose
addicted to any drug. Nobody who is using drugs or who is using alcohol plans to become addicted to it. Nobody who is alcohol plans to become a drunkard. And that's a fact. You can discuss with anyone. Everyone thinks that they are the epitome of self-control, that they will be able to stop as and when they want, or they are only using it for fun, or maybe to provide them relief of circumstances which are too difficult to tolerate otherwise. Maybe they are going through a breakup, maybe they have just had a failure in examinations, maybe they have just had an argument with their parents, maybe whatever might be the circumstances. The point is, and again to emphasize, nobody who is currently an addict or is a drunkard plan that they will become so. They were like you only, they were like me only. It's just that the red line which one has to cross to fall into that category where they cannot live without these substances is so difficult to spot. And that discretion to be able to spot that red line, that probably I'm not the one who is controlling my behavior anymore, I'm not the one who is controlling my urge to take these substances anymore. It's rather the substance which is controlling me, and these urges have become far more frequent. This ability to spot it further diminishes as people start using it. So the responsibility, or people generally say that it is true that whether somebody becomes an addicted person, somebody starts using drug or not, it's a culmination of different factors. But the single most important factor is the personal will. Whether the person himself or herself wanted to take the drug or not, whether they fell into the peer pressure or not. Because for every one person who is addicted, you have 99 others who are not addicted. Correct? They have also come from the same society, more or less they have had the same set of parents. Even in a family, you will see that somebody is addicted and somebody is a teetotaler.
MeghalayaPost.news